how to turn off a family friendly mode in Brawl Stars. Now, the very first thing that you have to be reminded of on the very first time that you have created an account with Brawl Stars using your Supercell ID, you are given an option to input your specific age. So if you have set it up your age um, around 3 to 16 age, between 3 to 16, there is actually no way for you to be able to change that specific mode like the family friendly mode. But if you will also go to directly with the game and have set up your account with the age of 18 above, it's actually the same. So if you go directly to the game and go to the three lines or located at the top right corner and then go directly to settings and go to help and support, if you will coordinate with one of the customer support from Brawl Stars support, you will also be automatically given out an article that you cannot change this specific mode right here, like turning off family friendly mode.